Hello guys, today I'm going to walk you through how I roughly shade skin. Before we start, if you are unable to draw using the reference, try marking the important areas such as the gap between the eyes and jawlines and other important elements you find important, and then use those lines to redraw your sketch. Next we move on to the first step. Adding base colors. I'm going to color all the parts and lay out the basic colors. Next I'm going to make a new layer and clip it. I'm going to use this layer to add light shadows. I'm not really relying on the reference, but it's always good to use them. Next I'm going to keep adding color tones and blend them using Smudge tool. The reason I'm using Smudge tool is it's easy when you are starting out. Next I'm going to add hard shadows. I'm just going to sharpen the details. I'm adding random color tones on hair using pen fade. You can use blur tool on lips if it seems too sharp. Next, I feel like adding more details and enhancing the skin more. You can use layer mods like overlay or color layer to add colors, but make sure to reduce the opacity for them to work. You can check out my blending tutorial if you have trouble with blending colors. And most importantly, don't forget to flip your sketch.